All right, so I'm here with Dan Maffett, Maffett Motorworks. He's invited me to come down. We're gonna work the booth for the Golden Star Classic Auto Parts at the Good Guys Lone Star Nationals. So he brought me here to the warehouse and factory. These guys build all kinds of sheet metal for these old cars, including like brand new. That is a brand new C10. We got a brand new Tri-5 57 Chevrolet. We're about to do a quick walkthrough of this warehouse, and we're going to get this truck loaded up. Dan just pointed this out to me. It's pretty killer. So these grills for these C10s, they're not aluminum. These things are like steel, heavy-duty, triple chrome plated grills. So if you want a different option versus the stock factory style aluminum, check these things out. So let's go look through the factory.
These are their Bronco bodies. Golden Star has two styles. They have the traditional lip and then the extended lip.
Oh, those quarters, yep.
Yeah, you can see the higher fender
Right,
flare.
yeah.
It's 2 inches wider, 2 inches taller.
Yeah, that's the only way to get them right there.
Yeah, it really
So
is.
Dan, you said that they sell a complete unskinned Camaro, just like this.
Yep,
and
just
this
like
is it.
So these are their Camaro bodies. They're all stamped, all fabricated, all in primer silver. You then can order the skins from them and add your skins, or if you wanted to, you could pay a little more and have that skinned for you. But you're not fighting with any rust in the rails or anything like that.
Yeah. Yeah, that's a good foundation to start with right there. Dan, tell me what you just told me about these Volkswagen.
So these are modeled after the Porsche race trucks. So they needed a vehicle to get the Porsche race cars to the tracks. So they made the Volkswagen bus into a flatbed so that they could take their race cars to the track. It was the only thing low enough with the motor being split.
That is interesting. So we've got some fastback Mustangs right here.
Yeah, we gotta have some fastbacks.
Yeah.
And all of these bodies you can order with some modifications. So if you want like the shock towers deleted,
oh cool.
preemptively, you can do it because most people get rid of the shock towers.
Right, put a Coyote or whatnot in it. Okay, well that's good to know. It kind of almost built to order then.
Yeah, and you can do mini tubs in almost every.
Man, that makes, I mean, like on the labor side, that would make things so much easier to get this thing configured just like you want. So, I mean, now with all the aftermarket chassis, you know, Scott's Hot Rods or Shop, whoever, and then you get an aftermarket body like this, but already configured with tubs and stuff like that, man, it would just make the build process go by a lot smoother.
Checking the box as opposed to spending 3 weeks in a
Right, yeah. Well, we got a bunch of frames sitting here, and you were saying that these guys reproduce factory style frames with frame rails and stuff, right?
Yep, so these are all factory stamped frames. So
Yeah.
huge giant press, it's like 3 stories tall, presses one sheet of steel into these
This
rails.
looks like a Blazer right here. We just
Yeah.
pulled one of them cross members out.
Yep.